Odenga! 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 Jesus. You even left this gate open. Odenga! 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 Hey. So, Odenga left this gate open without my notice. Hey! Don't worry. You will come back and meet me here. Odenga, you went out without my notice. You will come and meet me here. Don't worry. Who is there? Who is there? Who? Odenga.
Madam.
Odenga, where went you? That you left this gate open without my notice.
Madam, I go see my mama now. You get a CP, so I say make I rush him.
Odenga.
Madam.
You go see your mama. So you cannot tell me that you want to go and see your mother. You left this gate open. You Odenga. And you're telling me you go see your mama?
Madam, you supposed get conscience now. Now my mama be that. I say make I go see him. No be Odenga be this.
I should get conscience. I should get conscience. Odenga. Odenga.
Hey, madam. Madam.
Odenga.
Madam.
You're sleeping.
No. Hey, I need to sleep.
Odenga, you're sleeping. Hey,
Madam.
Odenga, you're sleeping. And you left this gate open. Hey, Amaka have to sneak out of this gate.
No, I'm at the house.
Amaka the house. Amaka the house. Now, if you know what is good for you, just run before I count 3. Look for her and bring her out. Bring her back.
Even Jessica.
Let's run!
Hey, Amaka!
have you been?
You know, my mother, she didn't want me to come outside. I even escaped and come outside.
Because of what? Is this the one that's going to marry you? Eh?
Amaka!
But I hope she's not beat you.
Amaka!
So, yeah?
What did they do here? Oh yeah, make the go house.
Me, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Are you mad? The kind slap where madam give me for house, now yeah, they give you so. So if you like, go report me. Madam no fit do me anything. Oh yeah, Amaka, they go house.
If you touch this girl again, I'm going to slap you. Are you crazy?
Get back home. Ha! Now you be my problem now.
Go and tell my mother that you didn't see me.
I talk him. He didn't give away her. You go to find man as if you define international passport.
Apumaka.
Leave her alone.
Huh?
If you touch this girl again, I will kill you here.
Oga, see you. I go kill you now. Kill Amaka.
You touch her now.
Oga, you. Oga.
Stand up. Stand up. Get out of this place. Get out. Get out. Sit. Hold here. Take this things. Get out of this place. Get out. This direction. Turn the fire you for there. I will not take this again. Listen to me. Don't be afraid. Capito is ready to do anything for you. Let's go. Let's go.
They won't kill you. I mean, be the only son. They won't kill me. My blood, what did they do? My life, they won't kill you. My life, they won't kill me. I don't want to walk. Go my house. Don't walk again. Wait. Madam, una wan kill me. Una plan, una wan kill me. We kill you. No, not be you. Say make I go find Amaka. I not be you.
Yes, I say you should go and find her now. Is there the problem?
If you see one man went there with Amaka, you see this man beat me. See my. Well, I go. No one kill me. I want go. No one kill me.
It's okay. Remember, wait. Am I not the one that employ you here? I know you are the only son. I know. Don't worry. I will do you well. I will add your salary. Yes. I will add for your salary.
You want make us there?
I won't make a stay.
Okay. But now, but on one condition, madam.
Condition again.
See, Amaka, madam. If you want to make I continue this job, you go give me Amaka, the manager. Yes, now you go give me Amaka, the mother. If you want to make I stay back, I go, make I go.
I should give you a
Udenga. Madam.
Hey, my mom will kill you.
Hey, madam, darling.
You're very handsome.
Thank you. Hey, madam.
Udenga, you know I'm not really told you why I employ you as my gate man. See, you're not really gate man. See, my employer. You know I don't have husband.
I know.
So, you're very handsome. So I employ you two of us. We can be, going together, having contact together. That is why I employ you. Yes.
Madam, wait. Madam, that is an abomination. It's an abomination, madam. And what about your children? What are they going to say if they come of this thing?
Listen, you don't forget about my children. They will not do anything. See, the only important thing is that you love me and I love you. Whatever you say I should do for you, yeah, I will do it one hand. You understand me?
But
You know what I mean?
this thing is tough. You get that to be, and this one pass me. But don't do anything. Well, I go
Just tell me that I'm doing it for you. That is all I want.
I will think about it.
Think about it. We are not enough to say whatever I want to say. But soon think about it.
Madam, let me think about it.
I want to think about it.
Give you 3 days time. Give you.
3 days.
This
Are you
is
sure? Hey, positive answer.
Hurry up now. Let's go. Don't worry. Trust your sister now. I will make sure that give it to us. Trust me now.
I trust you now. Big time.
Okay. So, what's the meaning of this? Odenga. What's the meaning of this? Why do you lock this gate?
See, madam tell me say man allowed to food. Come on for this house.
Wait, so don't tell me you're locking this gate against us.
Before come.
Sister, hey, will you open this gate now?
I will not try that one, no.
Open this gate.
I'm not gonna do that. Lie.
What if I bring this boy come this house? See, Odenga, I'll make sure I make life miserable for you. Yes, stupid boy.
Yeah.
If I like, go carry gun, go carry matches. This gate, I know they open up.
Okay, let's go.
And then hear that one.
Open this gate. We shall see. Stupid.
Come and collect the key, man.
Don't go. Man.
You're not calling. Don't worry. Look, girls, I don't know what someone wants. Me, I'm tired of that woman, oh. I'm tired of that woman and her stupid behavior. She don't even let us go out and hunt for men.
You know the one where they pay me pass for this whole matter. Now when you go tell that useless gate man to be watching on us. What's the meaning of that now? I'm keeping news in this house just because I'm the young guest.
See, you guys are right too. See, if Mama continues with this her stupid attitude of hers, I swear that I'm going to beat her up, I'm going to fight her, and nobody's going to hold me. So, what do we do? Talking about what? That's a good idea. You're right.
Sure.
I like it. What is all this? No joke with that. Jennifer,
Yes, ma'am.
where are you coming from?
Mom, I went to buy something. Yes.
Realize, Dama, eh? I went to buy something. Okay. What are the things you bought? Give it to me. Give it to me now. I say, where are the things? Give it to me. Jennifer.
Yes, mom.
Jennifer.
Yes, mom.
Jennifer. How many times did I call you? 3, right? Good. I have warned you several times not to go out of this house. If you need anything, tell Odenga to go and get it for you. That is why he's here for you. But you wouldn't listen. You are trying my patience, right? You want to know what your mother can do. Now, come here.
So,
I said, come here. You want to try? Come here. Come here. I said, come here. Come here. You want to try me? Idiot. Nonsense. Where are you coming from?
Mommy, I went to see my friend that is sick.
You want to go and see one of your friends that is sick. Did you tell me?
Mom, I told Odinga!
Will you shut up? Shut up your mouth. Hidinga. Come here.
I'm sorry, it was an
I
emergency.
said come here now. I said come. Come closer.
Mommy, oh, mommy!
You are very small for me to handle. Eh? You are not small things like you. You will not kill me in this house. You will not. You will not.
You see this idiot daughter of yours slept in my house and made with my money. My 20,000 is in that bag. I give to me, let me leave this house.
Mama, yes, fine. It's true. Yes, I slept in his house. He said he liked my mama, and I gave him my mama fresh one, though, mama. You know, that I shut up your dirty mouth. Hey, mama, see how you run your mama. You said you want to give me back now. Hey, big mouth. Hey, you. Hey. You call my daughter useless girl.
Mother,
that she slept in your house
that's what she is. She's a
collected your
prostitute. Yes.
She's a prostitute
A
too.
big prostitute, dirty one for that.
So you have the guts, the audacity to come into my house and insulted me. Now, please.
And I'm not here for this Simon Yoro.
I said you should leave.
I'm not moving out.
Now.
If she did not give my money, I'm not going anywhere.
Do you know what you are?
I need my money from this
Do you know
job.
what you are? You're socially a stupid boy I never seen in this lifetime. I did so.
Look at this girl, look at this. I'm even managing.
My friend, leave this place.
Don't worry, I'll kill you.
What am I going to do with you?
You said mother, you said daughter.
You idiot! I'm coming at below. If you get fresh, come. You have the guts to even make mouth. You need your mama. Hey, mama, it's called my friend. It's fresh.